Exploring the power of Reiki healing. Welcome to Alternative Wellness, where we dive deep into the world of alternative healing practices. In this video, we will be exploring the fascinating and powerful art of Reiki healing. From understanding its ancient origins to unlocking its incredible healing potential, we will take you on a journey through the science, benefits, and testimonials of Reiki. Join us as we delve into the world of energy, chakras, and personal experiences that showcase the transformative power of Reiki healing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support our mission of sharing the power of alternative wellness with the world. Understanding the origins and principles of Reiki healing. Reiki healing traces its origins back to Japan in the early 20th century when Dr. Mikao Usui developed this alternative form of therapy. The practice is believed to be based on ancient healing techniques, incorporating elements of traditional Chinese medicine and Indian Ayurveda. The underlying principle of Reiki is the belief in a universal life force energy that flows through all living beings, which practitioners can channel to promote healing and holistic well-being. One of the core principles of Reiki healing is the concept of balancing and harmonizing the body's energy centers known as chakras. Practitioners believe that imbalances or blockages in these energy centers can lead to physical, emotional, and spiritual ailments. By channeling and directing the flow of Reiki energy, practitioners aim to restore balance and promote self-healing within the recipient. Another key aspect of Reiki healing is the emphasis on intention and mindfulness during the treatment process. Practitioners are encouraged to cultivate a state of presence and focus on positive intentions while channeling Reiki energy. This mindful approach is thought to enhance the effectiveness of the treatment by creating a supportive and healing environment for the recipient. Ultimately, the practice of Reiki healing is founded on the belief that the body has the innate ability to heal itself when provided with the right conditions and energetic support. By understanding the origins and principles of Reiki, individuals can gain insight into the underlying philosophy and approach of this holistic healing modality, empowering them to explore its benefits for physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Unlocking the healing potential of Reiki energy. Reiki energy is said to have the potential to unlock a myriad of healing benefits, both on a physical and emotional level. The flow of Reiki energy is believed to help reduce stress and anxiety, promote relaxation, and enhance overall well-being. Scientific studies have shown that Reiki can have a positive impact on reducing pain perception and improving quality of life for individuals undergoing various health conditions. One fascinating aspect of Reiki energy is its ability to be transmitted across distances, known as distance healing. Practitioners can send Reiki energy to individuals who are not physically present, allowing for remote healing sessions. This concept is based on the idea that energy is not bound by time or space and can be directed to where it is needed most, offering a unique way to access the healing benefits of Reiki. Moreover, Reiki energy is believed to work on multiple levels of the body, addressing not only physical ailments but also emotional and spiritual imbalances. This holistic approach to healing recognizes the interconnectedness of the body, mind, and spirit, viewing them as integral parts of a unified system. By tapping into the healing potential of Reiki energy, individuals can experience profound shifts in their overall health and well-being. In essence, unlocking the healing potential of Reiki energy involves tapping into the universal life force energy that permeates all existence. By connecting with this divine source of healing energy, practitioners can facilitate the natural healing processes within the body, supporting individuals on their journey towards holistic wellness. Exploring the science behind Reiki and its benefits. Research into the science behind Reiki has yielded intriguing insights into its mechanisms and potential benefits. Studies have shown that Reiki sessions can lead to a reduction in stress hormones such as cortisol, promoting a state of relaxation and calmness in recipients. This can have a ripple effect on various aspects of health, from lowering blood pressure to improving immune function, thereby supporting the body's natural healing abilities. One compelling aspect of the science behind Reiki is the concept of biofield energy. Reiki practitioners believe they are channeling a universal life force energy that can interact with the recipient's biofield, the energetic field that surrounds and permeates the body. This interaction is thought to help rebalance and harmonize the biofield, promoting overall well-being on a physical, emotional, and spiritual level. Moreover, neuroscientific research has shed light on the effects of Reiki on the brain. Studies have shown that Reiki can induce a state of deep relaxation, triggering the release of neurotransmitters such as endorphins and serotonin, which are known to promote feelings of well-being and reduce pain perception. This neurobiological response to Reiki energy offers a scientific explanation for the reported benefits of Reiki in pain management and stress reduction. In essence, exploring the science behind Reiki unveils a fascinating interplay between energetic healing practices and physiological responses within the body. By delving into the mechanisms through which Reiki exerts its effects, researchers and practitioners alike are uncovering valuable insights into the potential of this ancient healing art to complement conventional healthcare approaches and promote holistic well-being. The role of chakras in Reiki healing practices. In Reiki healing practices, understanding the role of chakras is essential to working with the body's subtle energy system. The concept of chakras originates from ancient Indian spiritual traditions and refers to energy centers within the body that are believed to be connected to physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. In Reiki, practitioners often focus on these energy centers to balance and unblock the flow of energy, promoting healing and overall harmony. Each chakra is associated with specific qualities and functions. For example, the root chakra, located at the base of the spine, is linked to feelings of stability, security, and survival. When this chakra is blocked, individuals may experience anxiety, fear, or a sense of instability. By channeling Reiki energy into the root chakra, practitioners aim to restore a sense of grounding and security, addressing imbalances that may manifest as physical or emotional issues. Similarly, the heart chakra is considered the center of love, compassion, and emotional balance. When the heart chakra is blocked or imbalanced, individuals may struggle with issues related to love, self-compassion, and connection with others. Through focused Reiki healing practices, practitioners seek to open and energize the heart chakra, fostering feelings of love, empathy, and emotional well-being. Exploring the role of chakras in Reiki reveals a holistic approach to healing that considers the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. By working with the body's energy centers and addressing energetic imbalances, Reiki practitioners aim to support overall health and well-being on multiple levels. The integration of chakra healing practices into Reiki sessions offers a unique perspective on the power of energy work to promote healing, growth, and transformation in individuals seeking a more holistic approach to health and wellness. Personal experiences and testimonials of Reiki recipients. Receiving Reiki treatment often leads to profound personal experiences and heartfelt testimonials from individuals who have undergone sessions. Many recipients report sensations of deep relaxation, warmth, and a sense of peace during Reiki sessions. This heightened state of relaxation can help reduce stress, anxiety, and tension, allowing recipients to enter a calm and meditative state conducive to healing on multiple levels. One common experience shared by Reiki recipients is the feeling of warmth or tingling in areas where the practitioner is channeling energy. This physical sensation is often accompanied by a sense of energy moving within the body, promoting a feeling of vitality and rejuvenation. Recipients may also report experiencing emotional releases during or after Reiki sessions, as stagnant energy is released and emotional blockages are cleared, leading to a greater sense of emotional well-being and clarity. The impact of Reiki healing is not limited to the physical and emotional realms but extends to the spiritual aspect as well. Many recipients describe feeling a deep connection to their inner selves, a sense of alignment with their higher purpose, and a renewed sense of spirituality following Reiki treatments. This spiritual aspect of Reiki can bring about a sense of inner peace, a feeling of interconnectedness with the universe, and a heightened awareness of one's place in the world. Moreover, the testimonials of Reiki recipients often highlight the transformative nature of the healing modality. Recipients may share stories of how Reiki sessions have helped them overcome physical ailments, heal emotional wounds, and achieve a greater sense of balance and overall well-being. These personal experiences serve as powerful reminders of the profound impact that Reiki can have on individuals seeking holistic healing and personal growth. Exploring the power of Reiki healing. Thank you for exploring the power of Reiki healing with us. Dive deeper into the world of alternative wellness by watching more videos on our channel. Don't miss out on the transformative journeys awaiting you. Subscribe and like to support us in spreading the magic of alternative healing practices.